In brief, siasa ya Gusii arongira nyaka bago inke bantu bago expect mwango.
We will have defections chinyinge, especially to Achira from last year. Into Romoske mo jumbe we bunge Kitutu, not Kitutu but Nyaribari Masabo, Moske Manduku. But Manduku, for the longest time, to atore 1-term and 2-term songs in Gusii chorus ichiga. Tara soki mono of one of the chorus, but rende ya rengi ngana renga sensemeri ya 1-term.
Yeah.
Lakini tarengi wesoki mono. Lakini bono watanga asire maisha mara renga erano ara sensemeri ya 2-term. And then we talk about Jonah Onkendi for the longest where I think umo jumbe yani uliokuwa ndobo jumbe kurwa sensemeri ya kiama audio. I'm not wrong. Na handa konya no ara setimu ya matiangi lakini yotebirenga tigaenda sensemeri ende. And then umosikie Professor Zadok Ogutu oyo machoge borabu. So we are expecting as much as as long as to national politics effects here so mwakoyo we also expect to political moves kurwa se mashinani pon toko cha Gusii abantu bagenda ko align bona gabana siasa bagenda kuri nkayi interest cyane kiraba served well, you know, siasa and politics okwanda kwari ngai siasa ngai kurende yane interest cyane kiraba served.
Yeah.
Kwanyora ngonye 1-term kwanda 1-term onye 2-term kwanda 2-term. So we'll have, much as we're expecting a lot of defection nationally, even locally, especially as sort of Gusii, people will defect. Tora bana siasa abange last year, by the way, batarenge baba wetu chukura 2022 but bagache look at the women, the former women rep Janet Ongera, babu moske Chris Oburengo komororo once onoroche babo kemosi, you know, it was a UDA to go sene letina stock baro kona narenga se UDA lakini no armo gaiga babo Ben Mumanyi and other leaders barenge batari kuiweka lakini bono bachire. So we expecting about omulirori igo rengo omuliro mokego lakini bono 2026 yega gotwara tore formations. We are also waiting for other formation. Ngakiwa mnyora ata banga bono na lieto go chikoreta ngo chikubol lakini ndorikora masoki bono higa because to tichi sia sinchiro chipia sinchiro bara serikali bagota 1-term ngamba gende to kuganya. So we shall have a lot of defections, we shall have a lot of political moves as much as the Kenyan politics is concerned.